The 2018 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.